Hi, I'm Liam, and welcome to this Getting Started with 32-Bit Development playlist. If you're developing with Microchip's 32-bit Arm Cortex-based devices, this playlist is a series designed to help you get up and running fast. This series will show you a few different tools. First, the MPLAB Discover tool, which provides an easy one-stop shop for any documentation, code examples, or online references, which means no more combing through multiple sites and resources to find the information you need. And how to get started with our MPLAB Tools for VS Code, which provides all the essential tools to get started on your next project inside the familiar Visual Studio Code environment. Over a couple of videos, we'll cover the tools included with our extension pack, including our project import tool. For those of you who may be migrating from MPLAB X, you can pull in your existing MPLAB X projects or any MPLAB X code examples from Discover as well. Also, our MPLAB data visualizer, which serves as both a serial monitor and data plotter to easily display, visualize, analyze, track, and debug data in real time, all from a single tool. And lastly, our AI coding assistant, which saves valuable development time by providing code and comment generation, helpful suggestions, built-in datasheet reference tools, and a powerful AI agent which can provide individualized support and guidance for your project. If any of that sounds good to you, keep on watching. And when you're ready to dive deeper, check out these videos for some detailed guides and using the MPLAB code configurator, now also in VS Code. Let's get started.